is like, or not discrepancy, the duality is pretty funny. Because I feel so like at peace and like cozy, and then I get on this computer and I fucking hate everything. And I'm like, rage. We're at war. As if I didn't just like hand make pasta and herbs from my or eat eggs from my chickens. Not my chickens, but yeah, you know what I mean.
Yeah, chickens.
Chickens. They're so cute.
Hey, Rue, are you transferring your character off of costs?
I'm transferring my character off of Orfina.
You guys
why, do you need
ready
something
to
from Cost?
Gwitty
'Cause
on
I
the
gotta go-
Outcasts?
Oh, okay.
Dollar.
Are you guys ready to Gwitty on the
Outcast
Outcasts?
LD.
Sorry, David.
I'm not hearing anyone say they're ready to Gwitty. Hello?
Oh no.
Is that...
Someone's gotta lock David the fuck in.
Yeah, are you ready
David,
to...
this is a 13 plus call. Sorry, gotta leave.
Wait, don't say it, but I'm ready to Gwitty to the Piggly Wiggly store to
Holy
go get my
shit.
groceries. Hello?
Somebody calm when Devote
like that,
tells
or-
Muskets to go.
I call them like that in Supple, bitch.
Nice.
I have my own micro company in Supple. We're called Devin's Baby Girls.
Oh yeah?
What?
Yeah, it's a whole role. It's a Discord role. It's called
Heard.
DBG.
Alright, dude, where are we going? Come on. So we're out.
Yeah, get in our road, dumbass.
Our road.
You my aboriginal baby girl. You my one and only.
Huh?
I took it out of for this.
Yeah,
thought I was the original.
You aboriginal, you Asian,
Hey, David, I'm gonna try
and you
some
a
ease
baby
check.
girl.
I'm
You
gonna-
my
I'm gonna farm
ABG.
all. Okay. Well,
You my
guys-
double ABG. I need ABG anonymous.
By Haze.
I think ABG, Asian Baby Gangster. Like, what's going on there?
Alright,
girl,
gang,
sorry.
listen here, okay? We're gonna go all the way to the back of the point.
Dude, no fucking way, please. Stop.
Stop it, stop
I'm
it,
actually
stop
gonna mute him, Dreidel, you shot call.
What the?
I'll shot call.
Wait, David, do I have permission to do
Oh,
your
yeah,
attack?
yeah, you look shot call.
I'll shot call, don't worry. Everybody sit in fort and wait till fort phase. We'll be ready.
I'll see you when I have all.
Wait, guys, I'm locked in. Shut the fuck up. Let's go. Sober up.
Dude, no
That's
fucking
cap.
way. You just said
Hey,
you're locked in.
fuck supple. You guys are gay.
Fuck! Hey, okay, first of all, don't
Say
use
that.
those
Good
gamer
calls.
words
Good calls.
around me, you pussy boy,
Good calls.
okay? I'm a Christian man. Felix, you like when I
You're talking
chase
mighty
you
loud
around?
from
Huh?
an account that isn't yours, so you can get banned.
Look, I let Fane on my account and he fucking said some gamer words to Thick Boy in global chat. I was worried I could not log in. Yeah.
Hey, he gave me like 20-year-old flesh too.
What? Anyways, let's go. Sober up. Start our road. I don't see their bows yet.
One of those.
I think we're good. Oh, we're playing bonfire.
They're on
Hold
the right
button
side.
Like
Yeah,
in
I want-
This is on the right side.
I want group 10 decks focusing their decks on me.
Yeah,
Group
they're on
9
the right.
push. Group 9 push with me up onto bonfire here. Take grounds into top right now. We're taking ground top right.
give A or what?
Look at the grab top right. We're gonna get into the healer line in the road. I'm looking at
I see
Quaddy right
Quaddy.
now in road. Yeah. Chase Quaddy
Quaddy's
now.
close.
Chase Quaddy. Nice. Keep chasing. Chase him around. Go for Chinny. Dead. Okay. We're now Oppo. We're Oppo. Chase these healers. Benji boy. I think he's dead. I don't know. I'm still rotating. We're going Oppo.
I'm
We're holding
rotating around,
Oppo.
yeah.
Look at all these
That's
fucking
fine,
healers.
That's one.
Pad the fuck out.
Quintilla.
Yeah, I'm still working. I'm just gonna go disruption mode right now. I'm working on healers Oppo.
I got deleted.
I'm casting.
You're good.
Yeah, same.
Okay.
I'm gonna get deleted soon. They got respawn behind us.
All right. We can if you're low, you can start setting up in our road.
Trying to get to our road, getting chased.
Yeah, there's not a whole lot right now. We just want to push our main ball forward. Oppo is where we need to play right now. Oppo is where we need to
Oppo?
play. Legends
Okay.
bottom left. Yeah, bottom left, and push this fight forward.
They're gonna have
Watch for
spawns
respawns.
coming from here, yeah.
Yeah. Just
They have bows under
give
ramparts.
space.
Looking.
We're gonna have group 8 support here.
I'm on point, David. I got.
All right,
Guys,
sounds
it's
good.
a 5 proc.
Axis is procced.
We're not pushing. We're just holding
Okay.
them here. We're just
I have
holding them.
Dedo.
All the healers are top left.
Yeah, they're all
You look-
up right outside.
Thick boys in there too.
Okay, check. Try going for a flank on them, on top left there.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna start pushing in now.
I'm on Dream 8 healer.
Alright. Try to get out if you can.
Check
Try
on
to get
check.
out. Everyone else
Check
push
on
up.
check.
Everyone else push up. Everyone else push up. Okay, now we can push out. We can peel out. Peel out. Start looking towards bottom of point.
Okay. Look at
Once
Lexus bottom left the point healer.
once their kill squad starts making a move bottom left, we're gonna start pushing them out. But right
Yo,
now
Ben,
we're
check, I'm
moving the
coming.
fight forward from our road into the point phase. Group 10 focus on sandbags right now. Group 10 focus sandbags.
Check on JDB.
Okay. Saker's bottom left point. Okay. Group 8 still focusing left. We can check play with me on Oppo. Look for
I'm
healers on
coming off respawn
Oppo
right
side.
now.
Yeah,
Circle they're crushing on
I'm good. I have Dedo. I'm gonna look for a Dedo on their healers here.
I'll circle for JDB.
Alright. Hold it. If you can pop it on me now.
I'm stunned.
Okay, you're good.
They still got
Playing,
Dex.
Just keep
They
group
still
10
got Dex
there.
just sitting near ramparts.
Group 10 and group 8 need to focus that right now. Check, play
Where?
top left with me.
do you want us?
Left side sandbags.
Push out. I mean,
Yeah, you gotta push them out.
Top left, Evan.
Come on, Dream 8.
Okay.
Fuck.
Alright.
I can do anything. I have medium
Okay, it's
pressure
good.
here.
What
I got
we'll do
you.
then is then, check, come with me. We're gonna go dive on them through sandbags.
See, Devin.
Okay.
Dream 8.
Let me know.
You dead?
Let me know when you're here.
I'm 5 seconds
I
behind.
think they lost their
Okay.
healer. Low
Okay. Check. Go wide and drop on them. I'm gonna push them out now. Elix, watch for it.
Check on JDB.
Look for Lotex. Lotex is the
Check
killer
on
for the
check.
group.
Yeah, I don't
See,
They're
coming
pushed out
back.
towards
Look at
bonfire
Leggings.
side.
see
Leggings
them.
one.
Come back if you can. JDB, I'm on
Look,
stun.
like-
Alright,
one.
I'm coming.
Got
Okay,
you,
good.
Devin.
Alright, give us some space. Come back to point. Focus our road. A lot of picks in our road. After we clear out our road, we're gonna go pressure sandbags again. Check, same shit. We're gonna do a top flank.
They're there again.
Okay, let's
Same
do it.
spot.
Let's go. I'm gonna push from the front. You're gonna push from the side.
Okay. They know this time there's a great sword up here.
That great sword. Lotex is the healer. He's.
Careful with the response.
Kill low text.
Come
Alright,
on,
Guys,
Benji
you
boy.
wanna second it?
Benji
Yeah.
boy.
I'm dead. It's all good.
This is procs. He's running.
Okay. Respawns in 5.
Battered.
Okay, come back and hold bottom left. They got respawns.
You
Main
guys wanna
ball's
keep
pushing
mowing? Okay. I'll
Yeah,
I'll
just-
hold Zayas off you guys.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
wanna mowing
Keep
for
our
me.
decks on sandbags there. That's really good.
Zayas has no defy right now.
Okay.
Quintella, Battered. Oppo.
Looking.
He's under.
You see the Benji
Over
boy
you.
right here?
Okay.
I'm gonna go solo
I see,
healers
I
for
see.
now.
I'm with you,
Partial,
I'm with you,
don't. Stay there and protect their decks. Partial, stay with check.
Okay. Both are bottom left on sandbags.
Yeah, just
Zayas,
play
come
with
for you guys
check.
again. Kenny, look out. There's also a musket
Where'd you
far
have
left
the-
of ramparts
coming?
now.
Alright, this is stupid. I'm not doing this anymore.
All right. Then start controlling Oppo side. Then look for healers Oppo. I'm pushing them towards you guys.
Sayas one.
They're winning point. They won point.
I'm diving it. All right,
Can I
set up
do
our
it?
road.
Alright, come on road, let's see.
Yeah.
Just get the seat first and try to go for frags. Whoever's like over pushed.
Check. We're just gonna go for healers. If their decks are set up on sandbags, I'm just gonna leave it to our decks for that.
No, I think you guys should do
No,
it.
we should do
You
it.
literally should do.
I cannot do it.
Alright. Hey, AJ, you wanna? I don't know if you wanna comment to.
They got a main ball group
Team
coming
speak.
bags right now and
Yeah.
kill squad.
Here, let's drop down.
I'm with you, check.
User left your channel.
Okay. I'm bottom left. I might switch to light if I'm gonna do it decks.
Yeah, that same kill squad is above sandbags now.
Yeah. I'm working towards sandbag control right now. Lots of healers and kill squad. Yeah.
And Baby G.
JBG's one.
Yeah. I
Did
see
it-
Baby G. He's slowed dead. Nice. Blockchain's here. Thick boy. I'm gonna keep moving towards healers. Healers on bonfire. There's Faz. Faz dead. Nice. Benji boy. Dead.
Come on,
Nice.
Legend, look at Legend, top bonfire.
That Legend dead. Drum,
Gem
drum, drum,
top
drum.
left. Gem top left.
He's infected. I'm gonna keep wrapping towards healers. Healers are top right.
Okay.
I'm working up still.
Look at
Healers
these,
are all
top
top
road.
right.
I'm with you, Devin.
Yeah.
If
I'm
he's
looking
going
towards.
West point. Dead.
Quady's middle road. Quady's middle road.
Back sandbag.
Look quality top right in the
Yeah.
top one.
He's infected. I'm gonna keep chasing healers here. Their decks are in our bottom right. I'm chasing towards them.
Yeah, I can't really push with you guys.
Okay. I'm chasing
Oh, I
deck
see
bottom.
it.
Crash,
I see it. I'm
crash
coming.
oppo, crash oppo.
We're crashing these decks right now. Let's get
Brad,
nice.
nice. Okay, we killed
dead.
two.
Look at
It's
no
just
top
new,
right.
it's just new. Yeah,
Reset
five
my
yeah.
stagger.
He's got 5 stacks.
I'm going back for healers. Chinny's in road.
Okay, I'm looking
Their
back
road.
at
Their
Chinny.
road. Lucius. One. Dead.
Go and David.
Thank you. Seiko to you. Check. Play this.
No, lit Rami.
On Romney. Nice. I'm going towards bonfire. Healers bonfire.
Okay.
So many fucking healers. What?
Look
I
at
have
Legend right in
Dorado.
front of us. She's on a sacred.
Chinny's one.
Where's the
I'm
healers?
detonating on the
Comment,
healers.
comment.
Bonfire.
On the point.
I'm coming back towards point. Partial.
Okay.
I'm middle point right now.
They still have 2 or 3 healers at bonfire. Baby G. I'm on Baby
All
G
right.
right now. He's in road. Their road. One shot. Went on to point.
Go and David.
Okay. Sacred's right side bonfire.
Look at Flipper in the middle of us. Their road. Top left.
Their healers are playing bottom left with Legend.
Look.
Might be in trouble here.
Push bonfire by check.
Yeah. I'm going wide left.
They're
Right
coming
now.
in actually. Peel back.
I'm gonna be playing.
They got
Oppo.
respawns. I'm coming back over to you guys right now. See you top right.
Spawn in 5.
Alright. Top right's just main ball right now.
We gotta play more together because you're just dragging the healer around.
Well, what do you want to do? You want to go for decks? Do you want to control zones?
Like whatever you want to do, just tell us to do it at the same time, no?
Okay.
Just don't go solo plays in there.
Okay. Then let's just contest our kill squad then. Let's play our road bottom left.
Okay, I'm with you.
Okay.
We mirror their kill squad.
Big boy's under sandbags. Those temp file.
Okay.
Pushing him. Like put by bonfire.
Yeah, I'm
Bonfire,
chasing Big
okay.
Boy.
Alright, I see that.
He's going all the way to their road.
Yeah, we're
Look
pushing
at-
top left.
look
We're
at
pushing
fast,
top
look at
left
fast,
right
top
now.
bonfire.
Yeah.
I see
Fast.
Faz. Faz, one, he's one.
I'm
Look at bad melee. Look at bad melee too.
Bad melee.
Yeah, let's push
Nice,
it.
I'm working
Look at
towards
Temp
Lucius.
file, look at the temp.
Leocius.
Lucius, yeah, I see.
Let's go. It's heavy oppo right now.
Don't chase. Just push the squad. Push him.
Yeah, I'm
Benji,
pushing.
Benji,
I'm on.
top right.
Benji boy.
David.
So Benji,
Yeah.
nice. So push
Yeah,
in, push in.
nice.
Just
Quintella.
good tall. Oh shit, we got main ball peeling back for us. Peel back.
Alright.
Come back towards their road. We
Wait,
just
they
go
have an
Their road?
entire deck squad under the opposite, like far side bags.
That's
They're
fine.
just
Bottom right,
efficient, okay?
heavy. I have Deado play. Where you get that?
I'm on their road.
Their road.
Okay,
Okay, I'm at
I'm
Chinny.
coming.
Chinny on the road.
We got
Chinny on
males
the
pushing
road.
us their road.
Okay. I'm coming to Deadity. I'm on Berg.
On Berg too. Their road.
Okay. Yeah.
He's one.
He's one. Dead.
he's
nice.
Look at
The
the
Fodius?
folly right in the middle.
That's yep.
Look,
Okay.
Quady's our healer. Their road.
I see Quaddy.
See Quaddy.
Massacre.
Quaddy's rooted.
Yeah, he's reposted. No repost. Going towards bonfire.
Bonfire, I'm looking.
They have
Yeah,
so
I'm
much
working back
control
towards
of
there.
the-
Deuce their road.
See him?
Dead.
Go and David.
Nice.
Look,
Okay,
Noid top left.
I gotta look
see
at
it.
point right now. Point's taken up.
Okay, fine. Let's crash their road now. Look at blockchain. Good. Okay, let's crash Oppo. Look at
Alright.
Quady. He's in the clump.
Yeah,
in my
see
ping.
Quaddy.
I see Quaddy. I have root in 1 second. I have root for him. He's
He
rooted.
rooted.
Look at pops right beside him. One shot. Blueberry pops like the bruiser. Our road.
See it.
Yeah, see
That?
that?
Top right here. This is another happy cloud.
Partial.
Nothing for David. Careful.
Okay, I'm good. I found a
We
secret.
got
Like
respawn
it's
crashing into
me.
us.
I'm dead.
Yeah, top right
No
heavy.
heals, careful.
Respawning 30.
Legend's on
Kaiser in?
external.
I see Legend top
Legend.
right.
Yeah, top right in the road. On the point, in road. The road has like 3 healers in it. Baby G going towards bonfire. I'm in the road right now.
I'm here too.
Yeah.
This one in 10.
There's a bow fragging me out in Urban
careful,
Expression.
Yeah, watch it. Their kill squad's sandbags.
Okay, I don't. I need
He's
pot of
seeing
heals real
you.
quick.
He's
We have
seeing
to play their road. We can't play bonfire.
This one now.
Alright.
More said.
See you, Legend. Drem is the healer for Legend. We're committing too much to Legend. Come back to point. Come back to point.
Crash bonfire. Quality top right point.
I see you,
bonfire.
See Quaddy?
Damn.
He's rooted. He's rooted.
Quaddy slowed. Quaddy slowed.
Yeah,
Dead.
dead. Nice.
Look at blue pops out.
I see him. I see him. I'm gonna root him. I'm gonna root him.
Yeah.
He's rooted.
Legend's peeling for you guys.
I'll start
I'm
20.
here. I'm here.
Dead. Come back and get.
Leg-
Go on Zayas. Look at Zayas top left here.
Legend's one. Dead. I'm
Zayas
chasing
top right,
Zayas.
Zayas top right.
Yeah. I have root.
Careful, you have a
He's
ton of
rooted.
main ball. Debbie, come back. Yo, there's a ton of main ball on your left.
Alright.
There's a ton of main ball on your left.
Alright, I see you guys. See you guys.
Look at Susie. He's rendered.
Yeah, I'm on Susie.
He's seeing you, Dre.
Go back. Go back.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have really good control here.
There's a guy on the road. Heater on the road.
Heater. Okay, got you. I have root for him. Oh, I don't.
I'll root him. He's rooted.
He's infected.
Let's push up now.
Okay. Take it wide.
It's hitting to our left.
Look at Jeff on the right.
Actually, I'm looking to the right side.
Body's in the middle of that clump.
Yeah, I see him. I'm trying to call out.
Yeah. I'm gonna
Are
take it wide
you
here. I'm gonna try to push
Victor?
him out.
Quaddy's
Oh, I have
slowed.
Dedo. I have Dedo for this.
Okay.
Look on David.
Careful.
Okay. Alright, I'm going in. Oh, they fucking speared me. What the fuck?
It's fine.
Alright,
Just
I'm
go back. We're
yeah,
just
yeah,
asking you
giving
to
a
crash
space.
on.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they're
yeah.
gonna get crashed.
Actually, you guys want to go our road to bonfire and crash on that?
Yeah, let's do it.
That's it. I need consumes actually.
Go
Yeah,
wide
yeah,
though. Don't go actual ramparts.
Okay. I'm on bonfire.
Stick boy here.
I see you, Jeremy.
I'm on Snipex. I'm going from the front. Quintanilla.
Come on, thick.
I'm gonna get
Second?
Quintanilla. I think Quint's the healer.
I'm a little split from you guys, sorry.
We're crashing on their actual backline.
Fast.
Giant. Look at modern now.
I see modern. Fast is
Dead.
going.
Look at who's there now.
Oh, Deuce.
Turn around, look at Deuce. Top left bonfire.
Behind you.
The Noi
No,
on the field. Nice.
Watch for respawn, watch for
on the
respawn.
point,
Watch for
on the point, top
respawn.
left. Dead. Look at Zayas top left now.
Bombs coming in.
Oh shit.
Yeah, watch out for main ball crashing us. Let's get out. Let's go.
Yeah. I'm
Let's
setting up
get,
Alpha real quick. I'm resetting.
I went back to point.
Yeah, I'm on point.
Are we gonna go there right now?
They're crashing our bonfire.
Top right.
Okay. See you.
Like top left road.
I'm on the
Top left
road.
road. Yeah.
I'm gonna
Legends in on
here.
Victor. Legends in on Victor. Watch for Dedo. Watch for Dedo.
Five.
Wait, they're coming in hot. Careful.
Yeah, they're actually going hard. Play safe. We don't have heals right
This
now.
one in 20.
Holy fuck. Oh, and I gotta peel out.
I'm getting looked at bonfire. I'm killing Tower Road. Can you watch out behind you? DE coming
This
in
guy's
for
actually
you.
This one in 5.
Thanks, Root. Yeah. Still playing Oppo here. Group 8's here with us. I'm looking
Yeah.
at Sap 8.
I'm with you.
But there's some deep bows where Sape is. You want to go for
Yeah,
those?
we're outnumbered right now. This is
Facing
crap
you.
tough. Just slowly push the fight up here. Kill
Wait,
melee is
Victor,
trying to
how
come
close
in.
Yeah, but I have Dedo. I might go deep.
Alright. Look towards point. Look towards point if you're gonna use it.
Okay.
It's fat.
Yeah, I'm on chimney at point.
Alright.
Quaddy 1 on their road.
Yeah. You're alone right now.
Yeah.
I'm coming over to you.
I'm out. Oh,
I'm here.
in.
I weaken them for
Got
you. I
the-
weaken them.
Thank you.
Grabbing white on us.
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
going right opposite.
I see it.
Light
I'm
up.
trying to peel
Okay,
for
okay.
Roo. Trying to peel for Roo on Legend.
Yeah, I'm coming
Thank
over.
you.
I'm on legend top right. I should kills Bruiser.
That guy's rooted on you guys.
See that? I'm gonna keep the pressure
These
up right
decks
here.
are deep on this tree out here.
Yeah,
DE
sticking with.
check.
Oh shit. The
I
kill
think I got-
squad's on
Just
me.
come back. Just come back.
He's
Yeah,
seeing
yeah.
you,
Yeah.
Raven.
I'm here.
Let's go bonfire. Let's go bonfire and wrap. There's equal value.
Okay.
Okay.
The BBG top of bonfire.
Top of bonfire. I see that. Okay, I see a fast.
On Baz. One bonfire now.
I'm on fast still.
I'm chasing Benji boy,
Good.
top left. Devo just called main ball to push up. We gotta get super aggro here.
I see Benji boy.
Yeah, I'm on
Look,
Benji.
Deuce, their road.
Bonfire, he's out.
Modern's one.
And the
Okay,
Ocean's
I
nice.
have Dedo. I'm running towards them.
Come on, Air Force, you check. Just kill him.
Nice. Alright, David, where are you? I
There's
lost
a
you.
lot of road between you guys. I
I'm
cannot get
top
to you.
right.
I'm in our road.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'm in the road
I'm-
on the point. On the point.
I'm
On the road.
Oppo. I'm Oppo right now. I'll make my way
On,
over
on the
here.
point stand. Nice.
Not good, David.
Yeah, look, if you're on their road, come to Oppo. Come Oppo. Look at all these healers here. Look at
Yeah,
Quaddy.
I'm on Quintanilla.
Quaddy
I'm
slowed.
okay.
Quaddy slowed.
I'm pushing Quintanilla towards you guys.
Yeah,
Quaddy
towards
still center road. Center road.
Behind you, don't miss it.
Yeah, same. Look at the kill spot top left here. Top of the
You
road.
guys, I see you,
Blockchain?
Dorado.
I'm playing
Feel
last.
free.
I'm pushing
Feel
towards the
free
bow.
internal if you can.
Yeah, I'm cool. Thank you.
Internal, I got UDE. Yep.
Look at Zayas top in the road. He's staggered. Good.
Nice.
Look at Chimmy now, top right. Yeah, don't
Wait, this
come back.
Bruiser center road is stand. Nice.
Got him, got
Come back, bonfire.
Nice.
Come back, bonfire. Look at Dram,
Bonfire?
top,
On
bonfire.
fire. I see you, Dram.
Don't chase them.
Alright,
All
alright.
heals here.
Hey, our main bell's passive. Our main bell's passive. Don't go too deep.
Okay. I'm come back then.
Alright. He's holding cooldowns.
Look at Air Force is
Just
chasing us.
looking.
Happy
Got
Cloud.
Happy Cloud
I'm
ready.
behind my
Yeah.
cloud, yeah.
I'm gonna root him.
Okay.
Still rooted deep.
Main bell's pushing out now. Main bell's pushing out now.
I'm still on Happy Cloud.
Yeah. I'm going wide. I'm
Detonate,
going
I
deep.
just
I'm
need
going deep.
cooldowns. I'm gonna detonate on Benji Boy, I think, if I can get to him.
No, you're
Okay,
good. Save it. Save
that's
it. Save
deep,
it.
that's
Save it. Save it.
deep,
Save it.
Yo, we still have, dude, Thick Boy is still out by the trees with stacks behind us.
How many
3.
stacks?
He has 3, it's just 3.
That's fine.
I'm done to collapse on him.
Alright,
Alright.
alright.
You wanna- let's go,
For
fuck
thick
him.
boy, I'll do
Alright.
anything.
Oh, you
go left,
guys
I'll
are
go right,
fucking
go
out of here.
He's
I'm
dead.
chasing you, Dre.
Yeah, he actually is good.
Why is he out there? Wait,
their
Zeus
main
on
bell's
Trixie, Zeus on Trixie,
Yeah, I
top
said
right.
top, deep top.
He's rooted. No stem.
I'm
I
on
rooted him
point.
again.
Nice. Wait, do we
Oh,
both
I'm
fucking...
I'm going for a wide dead. Quaddy's
Look,
top
Quaddy,
here, top
Quaddy.
right. Yeah. Yeah.
No reverse.
Quaddy.
Oh, Leocius? You guys see me?
I see it. I'm detonating.
He's dead. He's dead.
Don't do that.
Cute.
On the point. Going towards the.
Quaddy.
I see you, Dre.
I see Quaddy. He's slowed.
No stem.
Yeah. I'm
see
going deep
Quaddy.
for this. I'm going deep.
Wait, do you like that?
There you go. Was that you?
Oh, you're our friend.
Yes, that was me.
But look at Benji Boy behind us on near Roo.
Thank you, check.
Benji Boy
People
rooted.
loves us right now.
Oh, I have to get out.
Holy shit, we're pushing.
Healers that have not died enough is Deuce. Deuce needs to
Okay.
die more.
We've been calling it. Now we can. We'll fuck him.
Deuce and fast.
Nothing to it.
Oh no! Fuck!
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna go get cleanse while I can.
I'm actually. Oh wait.
Oh. I'm respawning now.
Dude, I've had such bad FPS this far. I'm not reset my computer.
Dude, I've been getting Bezos boosted.
Oh, they got a
Road C,
group
they're
coming to
road
the
C.
road.
Yeah, road C heavy.
Wait, there's a healer just center of their
Watch-
fucking road. What is he
Watch out,
doing?
they're gonna crash the road really hard.
Yeah, they're gonna crash it hard for sure.
I'm just about to, you guys. Like 10 seconds.
What was that fucking healer doing out in front?
Come on, you check whatever you do. Come on, you.
Okay. I'm on whip.
Come on, John Cena.
I'm just behind you guys
Deuce
now.
is a healer.
Deuce,
There's a musket on the right. Watch
Deuce
for the
rooted,
musket on the
Deuce
right.
Popping.
Nice, huge.
I'm
Low
chasing
tech's
the
next.
musket.
Low tech's next.
See Granis.
Actually, they got the deck stop right here.
Okay.
I'm on urban expansion
Gratis.
top left.
Gratis is one.
They dead not secret.
Alright. I'm coming out. Coming out of the
Chasing you,
fort.
internal.
All their decks are on me top left here.
You guys are going really far. I'm not supposed to you anymore there.
That's good. We got him.
Checked all the heals, Rue.
And they are going
What?
fucking
Yes.
deep out here, Jadel. Holy shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, they got main ball coming too now.
EMP on
I'm
back.
here with you guys. Yeah, they're going wide right. Kill squad's wide right. Let's smash him.
on.
Let's smash him.
I'm David.
Yeah, I'm on.
I almost have Deado.
I'm out in the field. The
I'm
boys.
on the
See
Romney.
Devin.
A fucking race car.
Ren.
I'm on Romney.
to kill him. You see Lotius?
Legends rooted.
Lotius?
Yeah,
Lotius
Legends
to
dead.
your left.
Second JDB.
Thick boy, thick.
Hasting you, Trey.
Wait,
Sorry,
okay, he's got
Victor.
these decks. Sorry, I'm here.
Thick boy, powder burn.
He's
got-
running out to Yodi
Two
lane.
decks
Where-
running to the far right. Two decks.
Alright, let's fuck
Them
him, fuck
file
him.
behind coming towards Elix.
Let him come back. We can come back though. I'm going for healers. Deuce is running towards bonfire right now
I
on
see
the
your ping, I
cannon.
see your ping.
On the cannon shower. He's running PG. He doesn't even have rapier.
Oh.
He's running back towards the cannon.
No, you're like, no.
Deuce is
damn
on
it.
the cannon.
Careful, they're going around.
Okay.
Devin, I lost you. I went kind
I'm
of
good. I'm coming. I'm
Pumping.
going back to
Okay.
the kill squad's in the road.
AJ has joined the chat.
See it.
Okay.
You see? Yeah, you see this VG, Devin?
Yeah, I
Let
see
me
it.
die.
Nice.
the triple DE.
Their decks are set up here. Check double key these decks with me.
I'm
I am,
having to
I'm
try
on-
way
I'm
too
on
hard
no
now.
net.
You need to go back up on the walls, bro.
I expect all the heals.
Hello, tips.
No, well, now that I know you're here, I'll focus
Stagger.
up.
Stagger.
Oh shit! I egoed the wrong guy.
Zeus next.
Oh. The Dreidel run.
Nice, whoever killed Benji.
Leggin.
Which decks are you
looking at us?
We want to wrap the other side again. We're just running in the open field.
Respawning now.
One you check.
Okay. Fucking spear. Holy shit. He's giga slowed. He's giga slowed. Rooted.
Alright.
Rooted.
Felix, I'm with
I'm gonna
you.
go light.
Montage.
Okay. Look on the point. What, hello?
Yeah, he's powdered.
Oh, thick boy. Actually oblivious.
Annoyed?
Gotta get out of this. Thank you,
Disrespect.
Victor. I'm going for Urban Expression right in the center of the clump.
Clapping.
He has no Rapier cooldowns now. He's deep though. I see you
What?
internal. I'm coming.
Urban's dead.
Stun.
Clapping. AJ, fuck, dude. Where are you? Oh, you're hella. What the? Dude.
I'm playing with Jeff's group. That's my group.
Yeah, I'm chasing Jeff right now on this deck.
Give me some like fucking warning or something. Sheesh.
Oh, that's too
That's
many.
good, yeah. Check.
Check E.
Good heals, thank you.
Wait, did we lose Brimstone?
Yeah, I mean, there's no one to defend it. Lucky. Yeah, yup. Dude, where you at?
I'm kind of just assassin mode right now.
All right, check. I'm
Like,
with
boy's
you.
like deep right by
I'm
me.
with you.
Yeah,
I'm with you. I'm with you. DE check.
He's dead.
God, it's so bad.
One Brems, one.
Yeah,
I
he's
see
one.
Lotex, David, who you're just
Got
shooting.
him. I got him.
They got respawns coming. My quaddy right in the middle.
Oh, I see Quaddy.
I'm gonna detonate on him.
Alright.
Quaddy one, got him.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I actually feel like I'm kind of bopping off this floor. I'm on fast right in the center.
Leon, I mean, second dude.
Okay.
Next one.
I see you, Dreidel.
Yeah, I'm going on blockchain too.
All right, I'm literally just standing next to AJ.
He's
This
rooted.
motherfucker.
Nice.
Channel. User joined your channel.
Spawns are coming right now.
Yeah. He was calling to hold ult 2.
Oh my god,
Oh,
you were
push
on
this.
that guy. Oh, thick boy, thick boy! Look at that spawn!
Blow him. Don't stagger him. Don't try to spear me.
He's
Go
one.
idiot.
I got him. I got him.
Legend right on the left.
Dead.
Baby G!
Load.
Stun.
One.
Holy shit.
Micro, middle road.
Left fast.
There's a pylon. Fucking owned.
Oh, it's Quaddy!
Bless you. Oh, fuck me. No!
Dream exhausted.
Where are you?
I'm coming. No.
Oh, fuck.
I got wombo combo.
I did it.
Thank you.
Damn.
Making Chongo look bad right now.
Get him external.
Ooh, nice.
I got you. You're hasted, AJ.
Okay. Fuck.
Popping. No. Just fight them. Just fight them.
Come here, pussy.
I don't have a sacred though.
Here's someone. Kill his ass. Here's
The
his
lot
idiot.
spawn, the lot spawn.
Oh no, I'm gonna die.
I got you, Devin.
Thank you.
Oh.
AJ!
Okay. Urban expression.
Dead?
Head.
Legend.
Staggered.
Nice.
Idiot.
Look at Benji
Ooh,
boy.
Shiba. I gotta run for a second.
Plague. Hand you, Shiva. ABG.
Yeah.
Oh, I almost hit that.
Come here. He's slowed.
Got it.
Staggered. Holy Jeb.
God.
Thank
Like
you,
I
Rue.
got you.
Me. Thank you, Rue.
No, it
What
wasn't
is
me. I was
this?
about to, but
What are these wars,
partial
man?
popped up.
LD, man.
Fucking so bad.
That was gonna be a really competitive one.
No, it's never a competitive one.
Oh my fucking roller go one shot.
I'm making Quaddy so mad.
Help.
Oh. There you go. That's all I got.
Oh, there's a bunch of spawns behind us.
I got you.
I got
Guys,
him. Oh.
Sorry, dude, you mean goobs were fucking taunting this guy? I'm like on B flag again.
Archie, I got you.
He's sticking bucket, who cares? Actual main comms, let's go.
Hatchet wood. Time to save the point.
On Chadwick's beard. No.
Hasting AJ.
Oh, I'm going in. No.
Oh, you
Hasting AJ again.
Run. I don't know who's shooting you.
Popping.
This.
Dead ass.
Beard. Send
What?
Beard him.
Uh-oh.
I jumped him.
Oh! That's
Incredible.
toxic, I like that.
Hey yo, GG's, talk your shit, don't get banned.
Yeah, do not spam.
Hey, they're gonna mass report. They're gonna mass
Yes,
report.
yeah,
Anything,
okay,
even
yeah.
if you type GG, they're gonna mass report it. They've
Okay, then,
people have been
I died less
talking
than
in
partial.
the New World
Second.
Creator Discord calling.
Oh, I'm still doing it. I gotta say that.
You should have the
My healer let me die 3 times. That's kind of disappointing.
My healer was amazing.
I didn't die, so good job.
User joined your channel.
That's racist.
And if you need your payout, still do it with your.
Actually, that's actually a good call. Yeah, if you still need your payouts, come Windows Church.
Oh, payouts wins.
I'm sorry for letting a bow musket that decided to drop down with 5 con die.
And if you need your first
I
round,
had
Someone better would have healed up, you know?
I just didn't know. I'm not even gonna lie. I was totally autopiloted. I was just like,
That's not gonna end well for this
I
one.
literally opened up my map and I was like, his dot is no longer on the wall. So what?
Or, you know, if Baboon was here, he
payouts?
would have healed.